Hello, my dear friends. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation Delhi is here. So today we are here to share a very special story of one of our student, DEEPAKSHI BABBAR. So few days back, she got selected in IP and got rank 1 in IPRF in the entrance as well as interview. She also qualified NET with us in environmental sciences as well as GATE ecology evolution, right? So she got rank 1 at IP University, Indraprastha University, School of Environmental Management, which is one of the good place for pursuing higher studies and research. So our entire team, the teaching team, the interview team, the proposal writing team, and the mock interview preparation team congratulate our student DEEPAKSHI BABBAR and wish her good luck for future. At present, the A.S.S Science Foundation is functional offline, online, as well as correspondence with study material programs. And currently what we are offering, we are providing the regular classes for NET-JRF and all the other PhD entrances for environmental sciences and job exam. It's a comprehensive preparation at our center in Delhi. Both the center are in Shastri Nagar near North Campus, accessible by metro and other transport means. Then you have the online programs, which can be accessed anywhere across the globe. Those programs are also very good. The third program is correspondence with video program, which is quite comprehensive and very useful for the remote preparation, those people who are working. Along with that, we are also providing the program for GATE 2023, Environmental Science and Engineering, Ecology Evolution, Life Sciences. And along with that, we are also providing the preparation for the pollution board exams, like recently we have in Haryana. So those who are willing to join, they can reach us for free demos and joining. Thank you.